Okay, that's one of the key aspects of it. You want to make sure that the momentum is in your favor. So not as much how many bars, but where is it in relation to the moving average? Can the trading system I taught in Dallas be used for longer time frame trades, weekly, monthly? Yeah, just keep your risk in mind. Dallas tapes are in the mail. I'm going to get a report tomorrow from pt.1n letting me know who got mailed. There was a bit of a mix-up. Hold on a second. Let me disable the. I just disabled the chat again because you guys are kind of making this jump around. There were about 50 people that we didn't have on the original roster, so those tapes may be delayed. But again, I'm getting a report from pt.1n tomorrow. Non-farm payroll on Friday, yes. Also, we've got the Bank of England meeting, and this. Let me tell you, this real estate, this real estate report might be a bombshell. The Bank of England might come out and shock everybody this week. So we don't have to do anything special necessarily. I will be sending out a couple of videos talking about this as things progress. But again, remember, folks. This is not a trading system where we have to be glued to the screen and be ultra concerned about what is going on moment by moment. We knew. Look at this hand position on the British pound. We knew on November 19th that this was a possible entry point. You know what I'm saying? We knew from about March 25th that this was a potential entry point. Why on earth would you even want to look at a 15-minute chart or even care what's going on in the news? What we're going to wait for is, and things have changed a little bit with this last announcement. I think the market's going to be more focused on the interest rate announcement than they were when we were in Dallas. And this is one of the things you've just got to be willing to understand about the marketplace is the only constant is things change all the time. So I think the focus is going to be on the interest rates, but because of that, what I'm anticipating is that the Bank of England is going to throw a curveball because central bankers as a species just do not like to be figured out. Jeff says, can jump in on second or third hand if first is missed? Yes, just have to know after 2 or 3 or 4 hands, after a move has gone on for a while, you've got to start waiting for that thing to end. Okay, so you have to be careful. After about 3 hands, I'd say that move is getting a little bit old. On the Canadian trade, wouldn't you have been stopped out when price closed below the 8 SMA? Did I miss that? Let me check. No. When I was looking at that, it was above it. Let me zoom in there. See? That's not very close at all. The moving average is 98.49. The close was 98.52. It's not like we were within 1 pip or so.